What if I told you that beneath the surface of Mars, something exists that even NASA hasn't fully understood yet? Is Mars really a dead planet, or is something still alive out there? And the images that were just revealed, are they a new discovery or a warning of something much bigger? Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to see might completely change how you look at Mars. And hey, if you're someone who loves space discoveries, but also enjoys finding smart gadgets and useful online products, make sure to check the link in the description. You might find something worth it. Now don't miss a second of this video, because things are about to get intense. If you enjoy this kind of shocking content, make sure to subscribe, share this video, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. A new world. The Red Planet holds a story, and it begins right now. Welcome to All About Mars Surface, episode Secrets Beneath the Surface. In this episode, we take a deeper journey into the unknown regions of Mars. But this time, we're not just looking at what's visible. Instead, we're diving below the surface into a hidden world that remains out of sight, yet holds some of the planet's greatest mysteries. At first glance, Mars may seem dry, silent, and lifeless. Its surface appears calm and unchanged. But beneath that quiet exterior lies a far more complex and dynamic story waiting to be uncovered. The outermost layer of Mars is made up of dust, sand, and broken rock fragments. This layer is called regolith, and it has formed over billions of years due to constant exposure to harsh winds, extreme temperature shifts, and countless impacts from space. But below this loose layer lies something much more solid. A crust made of ancient rock. This crust has remained largely unchanged for millions, even billions of years, preserving the planet's deep history. Scientists believe that beneath this surface, Mars hides vast amounts of water ice. In many regions, this ice is trapped just below the ground, shielded from direct sunlight by a thin layer of soil. Orbiting spacecraft have confirmed this using advanced radar technology. These radar signals can penetrate the surface and bounce back, revealing what lies hidden underground. What they've found is fascinating. In colder regions, especially near the poles, this underground ice forms thick layers that extend deep into the Martian crust. These frozen reserves are believed to be remnants from a time when Mars had a much wetter and possibly warmer climate. As Mars lost its atmosphere and cooled over time, liquid water gradually disappeared. What remained became locked beneath the surface in the form of ice. Interestingly, this underground ice doesn't just sit quietly. It actually shapes the surface above it. In some areas, the ground appears smooth and slightly elevated. In others, you can see cracks and strange patterns formed by the expansion and contraction of frozen material. These patterns act like clues, helping scientists understand how ice behaves beneath the surface. But there's an even more intriguing possibility. Could there still be liquid water beneath Mars? On the surface, conditions are too extreme. The temperature is far too low, and the atmospheric pressure is too weak to allow liquid water to exist for long. But below the surface, things may be different. The weight of the soil above increases pressure, and internal heat from the planet can slightly raise temperatures. Together, these factors create a possibility that small pockets of liquid water could exist deep underground. If such environments do exist, they would be naturally protected from harsh surface conditions like radiation and extreme temperature swings, and that makes them incredibly important, especially in the search for life. The subsurface of Mars is also like a time capsule of its geological history. Layers of rock beneath the surface act as records of the past. Each layer represents a different era, preserving evidence of volcanic activity, asteroid impacts, and environmental changes. Volcanoes in particular played a major role in shaping Mars. Some of the largest volcanoes in the entire solar system are found on this planet. In the distant past, their eruptions likely affected both the surface and what lies beneath it. As lava flowed and cooled, it formed thick layers of solid rock underground. Over time, these layers were buried under dust and sediment, hiding them from view. By studying these hidden layers, scientists can better understand how often volcanic activity occurred and how it influenced the evolution of Mars. Asteroid impacts have also left their mark beneath the surface. When massive objects collided with Mars, they created deep craters and fractured the ground below. These impacts may have released heat from inside the planet and even melted underground ice, forming temporary pockets of liquid water. In some impact sites, materials from deep underground have been pushed up to the surface. These rare exposures give scientists a chance to study parts of Mars that would otherwise remain hidden forever. Today, robotic rovers exploring Mars are equipped with advanced tools designed to study the ground beneath them. By drilling into rocks and soil, they can analyze ancient layers formed millions of years ago. These samples reveal the chemical makeup of the subsurface and provide clues about how Mars has changed over time. In certain areas, scientists have discovered minerals that only form in the presence of water. This strongly suggests that water once existed not only on the surface, but also beneath it. And if these conditions lasted long enough, they could have created an environment suitable for simple forms of life. Another key factor is radiation. Mars lacks a strong magnetic field and a thick atmosphere, which means its surface is constantly exposed to harmful radiation from space. This radiation can destroy organic molecules, making it difficult for life to survive on the surface. However, just a few inches or feet below the ground, the situation changes dramatically. The soil itself acts as a shield, protecting anything beneath it from radiation. That's why scientists believe that if signs of past life exist on Mars, they are far more likely to be preserved underground rather than on the surface. Looking ahead, future missions to Mars are expected to focus even more on exploring these hidden regions. With advanced drilling systems and robotic technology, scientists hope to reach deeper layers than ever before, searching for water, chemical activity, and possibly even preserved organic material. These missions aim to answer one of humanity's biggest questions: did life ever exist on Mars? The subsurface isn't just important for science, it's also critical for future human exploration. Underground environments could offer natural protection from radiation and extreme temperatures. Building habitats below the surface would make human missions much safer and more sustainable. Additionally, underground ice could become a valuable resource. It could be used for drinking water, producing oxygen, and even creating fuel, making long-term missions to Mars more realistic. Because of this, scientists are actively mapping regions where this ice is easiest to access. Mars may look quiet and lifeless from the outside, but beneath its surface lies a hidden world full of mystery. Layers of rock, frozen ice, and possibly liquid water hold the story of the planet's past, and maybe even clues about life itself. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding what truly lies beneath. The subsurface of Mars is not just dirt and stone. It is a complex system shaped by billions of years of change, waiting to be explored. As technology continues to advance, we will be able to dig deeper and uncover secrets that have remained hidden for ages. The Red Planet is slowly revealing its story, and the search doesn't stop at the surface, because the most important answers may still be buried below. Thanks for watching All About Mars Surface.